Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. You can do a quick video tour of the vehicle, and if you have any additional questions, want to learn more about any of the features, or even set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So, the vehicle comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Let's see, we've got heated memory seats on the driver's side, heated seats for the passenger as well. This vehicle also has the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Find those speakers throughout. Mileage currently at 67,489. Do a push button ignition. And here's our display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below the display we have our climate control here, as well as buttons for accessing some of those functions I was just showing you. Also have a CD player. Got cup holders, cigarette lighter, and ashtray. We've got our command module here where you can make adjustments on the display using either the touchpad or the dial. We also have our control here for switching between Sport, Individual, Sport Plus, Comfort, Eco, all the different modes here. It's going to affect how the vehicle performs and drives for you. And our shifter. Okay. Look at that wood grain accent trim. Rear seats here. Look at the sunroof. Quick peek up front. And coming around to the back, we have our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Some new all-weather mats back here. Plenty of storage space. And you can always flip the switch to lower those rear seats if you need a little extra storage. Push button to close. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.